This is to keep the fabric off of my head because my pillow is going to be right there. And I know this is going to drape a little bit. So this should keep it well off my head. Hold on. So that's going to create a little area of sleep for me. It would have been ideal to have my head under this area, but I don't have any padding down there because I need footwells so I can sit nice and low in here. And if you haven't seen my other videos, this is a mattress. Very comfortable. My shoulder hits about right there. And then I can put a small pillow there, not a very thick one. I think it's going to be fine. And like I said, held on by magnets if I need to rip it off before I go take a nap in Davy Jones' locker. This is also folding down to be a backrest, but I need it to be more legit, less hokey. So trying to figure it all out as I go. Let's sew.
Can you open this?
Yeah, but I'm not going to put it together right now. System mount. I could just fold it under and sew it like that. I have magnets in here so that if I'm on the water and I need to get out of there for some reason, I can bust it up and get out and not die and drown. So as it is, it's functional. I might want to put another something in here. And the idea is when I wake up in the morning, you just rip it off and stow it away somewhere. Maybe reach back here and unsnap it off if I want. Roll it up nice. Maybe do something like this. Yeah. I don't know. It's just for the camping part. I won't bring it along all the time. Then I can flip this back up to rest my back on it. Neat, right?